Oh, hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So, if you are feeling very stuck to speak in front of camera as well to reading in front of camera, so today I want to share with you how to read English in front of camera or whatever, some people in front of people or whatever something. Okay, so you must stay in the last of this video. Okay, so till watch till end and let's continue with me. Okay, how to read English in front of camera. Okay, so let's jump on to this topic. So, how to read English? Let's start with me. Let's continue with me the small sentence as well as small phrases how to read in English. Okay, so let's read with me. Before you win, ask, what are you winning? All your successes are meaningless if your goal itself is unwise. Success does not lie in doing any random thing just to fulfill a built desire or wishes to pressure crown. You must know who you are and what you really need. Victory lies first in choosing the right battle to fight. If you fight a war battle, instant victory worse than defeat. That is no success. It's changing a foolish goals and managing to attain it. If the goal itself in worry, what glory is there in attaining it's more speedily than other. So do not ask, how do I get success in whatever? By asking in such term. You are trivializing action, whatever in your question is the grafting would close it. One does not do whatever much nor more doubts, much more consideration must go into what is worthy of being done. Only two type of action are worth it. One that arise from your inner fulfillment, the very dance of enjoy, and two, that means second, that which take you towards fulfillment, the courage of love, the light of wisdom. So push, reflect, take your time, be open, be alert, and in quiet. Life is a precious. Life is not a squandered changing on the verticals. Okay, so can you understand the meaning of this word, the meaning of this sentence? Okay, don't worry. I can understand in the meaning in Hindi. I really understand this meaning of this word, meaning of this vocabulary as well as phrases. Okay, so can you ask yourself? Can you ask yourself what are you winning? Before you win, ask what are you winning? The question in the book. The meaning of all of this कुछ स्टार्ट करने से पहले या कुछ आपको आपको ऐसा लगता है कि हम लिटरली दिल से हम कुछ चाहते हैं तो उसके लिए हमें सबसे पहले अपने मन की बात सोचनी पड़ेगी कि हमें क्या लगता है ओके आपके आपकी इच्छा होना काफ़ी नहीं आपका डिज़ायर होना काफ़ी नहीं है कुछ जो चीज़ आपको चाहिए या जिस चीज़ के लिए आप एनी एवरी डे आप एफर्ट्स ले रहे हो या कुछ कर रहे हो उसके लिए सिर्फ डिज़ायर या इच्छा काफ़ी नहीं होती उसके लिए काफ़ी होता है कि आपके दिल से जो उसमें सच में आपका इंटरेस्ट है दैट इज़ इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर अचीव एनी थिंग एंड दिस इज़ द क्वेश्चन आस्क इन द बुक जो आप चाहते हैं वो लिटरली आप उसके लिए आपका 100% दे सकते हैं लिटरली आप उसके लिए आपका कुछ भी काम छोड़कर आप उसे कर सकते हैं दैट इज़ द डिज़ायर इन इनर वॉइस दैट इज़ इनर वॉइस वो आपके अंदर से आने वाली चाहत है जो आपको लिटरली बोल रही है कि ये करो दैट इज़ योर गोल और वो गोल जिसके लिए आप 100% आप एफर्ट कर सकते हो एफर्ट दे सकते हो पुट कर सकते हो एफर्ट दैट इज़ द सक्सेस और वो चीज़ 100% आपके लिए तैयार है दिस थिंग इज़ ऑलरेडी रेडी जस्ट यू आर रेडी फॉर अचीव दिस जस्ट डू दिस डू एफर्ट्स पुट एवर एफर्ट्स आपके अगर 100% डिज़ायरेशन है कि मुझे ये चाहिए और आप एफर्ट ही नहीं ले रहे हो दैट इज़ नॉट इम्पॉर्टेंट दैट इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल फॉर दिस you have to achieve so you have to put efforts every day that is the meaning so you can read this type of paras or newspaper or magazine or whatever that is your desiration okay so you must watch reading every day and that not some stuckness feel that is not feel shy it's simple and simple or easy paras you can watch so your English is well so you must watch So you must read every single day, just any book if you want, and just do make do perfect yourself, do better yourself. Okay, so just continue with me. Just today's day one for English reading, and just again 6 day I will upload on my channel video every day. Just continue with me reading, and I'll meet you tomorrow. Thank you.